Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. And today, for the first time, I'm going to visit a catamaran. I'm not used to visiting catamaran, but in this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful lagoon. So just before starting, the boat is for sale by Easy Sail in Marseille. So if you want more information, if you want to contact them, everything is on the description. Don't forget, Easy Sail has a lot of lovely sailboat for sale and even motorboat for sale. So if you're looking for a new boat, you just have to visit their website. Everything is in the description. Let's start the visit. This Lagoon 400 S2 was built in 2016 and is 9.98 meters long and 7.24 meters wide. This catamaran has a draft of 1.22 meters. As you can see, the condition of the boat is excellent and the boat seems almost brand new. I'm not used to visiting catamaran, but the deck is very wide and it's easy to move. I found it easier than a monohull sailboat. I'm very surprised to see such a wide deck. So you can see the trampoline. This is very classic for many catamarans. In this boat, the trampoline is in perfect condition. Many windows are present, which allows to ventilate the interior of the boat. A very convenient point, especially during summer. The fresh air feels good. I noticed the cockpit offers very good visibility to maneuver. The boat is even equipped with electric Harken winches. The catamaran is equipped with Dingy electronics. Four solar panels of 340 watts are included, which is an interesting feature to go offshore. The boat has even a Dingy ocean bay with a Suzuki of 20 horsepower. Look, there is even an exterior stainless steel fridge. Let's go inside with from the start the Galley, which is fully equipped. Furthermore, we have the chance to cook while enjoying a nice view, and this is thanks to all the windows in the saloon. The sofa, dining table and chart desk are provided, all three together. Needless to say that the brightness is just fabulous, even if the weather was bad and cloudy like today. Let's go see the starboard hull. The aft berth of the starboard hull is very bright and wide. The starboard bathroom is quite big. I want to point out that the boat has a freshwater tank of 299 liters and a fuel tank of 201 liters. So here this is the forward starboard berth. By the way, the saloon is very pleasant. I'm starting to appreciate catamaran because it's very comfortable, and especially this lagoon. Let's move to the port side. Everything is like the other hull. What is good with catamarans is making it easier for chartering. because one side can be reserved for the crew and the other one for customers. The magnificent aft-port berth. Before finishing, this boat is equipped with 2 YANMAR of 45 horsepower. I was very surprised about this lovely lagoon because the boat was very spacious. There is a lot of space in the boat. I very like this boat. I very like sailboat, monohull sailboat. But the fact to visit for the first time a catamaran, it was a very great experience, and I think I'm very convinced about catamaran. I think this is a great advancement. If you want, for example, to do some charter, it's a very great value. So as you can see, this lagoon was in very good condition. Furthermore, the boat is fully equipped, and the best things about this boat, this is the tender. This is a very great tender with a 20 horsepower Suzuki. So it's just a very great opportunity, a very great value, this boat. So if you're interested to buy this boat, don't hesitate to contact Easy Sale in Marseille. Everything in the description. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and for the future I'm going to upload a lot of video, a lot of visits, so stay connected and see you for the next video. Bye.